Yep, we're loading up. Getting ready to go on our next adventure.
Trying to sneak out in the middle of the night.
Well,
I think the hub assembly's going bad.
that's not a good thing, is it?
No, it's not a good thing.
What a way to start our trip. Well, it's our first morning.
Yeah, we're in Osceola National Forest.
Yep.
We got in pretty late last night.
It was very late, dark. We couldn't video anything. It was just pitch black.
Or whatever we did. I don't know what we got, but yeah. Yeah, it was pitch black.
Yeah, it was dark.
It was cold, was tired.
Yeah, so. And the truck's making some noise, so.
Yeah.
We're going to go deal with that now.
Yeah, we didn't get to wake up like we wanted.
No, we wanted to enjoy the morning. Well, we're back at our same spot.
Yeah.
And we woke up this morning, we headed out, we were going to go to there's a parts store about,
23 miles away.
23
minutes.
Yeah, we're going to go
Lucky.
pick up the part, but we called them and it's not going to be in until 2 o'clock. And it's only about 8:20 now, so we're going to hang out here and just enjoy the woods until it's time to go get our part. And then we'll change that. Don't worry, I'll video. Because, it's all about the fun. Cooking us some oatmeal.
Yeah.
Kind of cold.
No.
No.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm. It's nice. It is beautiful, though. Beautiful. Oh. Jeez. I had to trip over that dang cord.
I'm telling you, right? Wow. Look. See it?
What is that? Is that a beaver?
Yeah.
Oh, there's another beaver. Beaver buds.
See it coming our way?
Oh my god. I don't think it's coming to attack, is it?
You better back up.
Would beavers attack?
I don't have any idea, but it's coming right at
There's
us.
2 of them. Oh no. They're like, yeah, no, maybe not. It's a little beaver. Hi, little beaver. I'll kick you in the face. Come near me. Kick it. Well, that is really neat. We're gonna go get something to eat
Yeah.
while we wait for our part.
Yeah. Could be worse. Could be on the side of the highway.
Could be. So, all is good.
Scary. That's where it's supposed to spin. That's what makes the tire move.
must be it, huh?
Yeah. It's gotta be it.
Oh, looks like he's got our part.
So, you know what took so long is I'm like, well, is this thing under warranty? Well, I don't know. Let's look. Wouldn't that have been the first thing to do? No. So then he goes, well, the part number's wrong.
Ah.
I don't know. We'll see.
Well, at least it looks like it's the right part.
Yeah, fingers crossed. So far, so good. I believe we got it. We'll be on the road.
Okay. Tires going back on. That's always a good thing.
Huh?
Isn't it amazing that we were like stuck on the side of stuck in a parking lot for hours? Jacked up truck, and only one person the entire time offered their assistance to help.
All day long, yeah.
All day long, and it was a traveling bum. Traveling bum offered to help.
A traveling bum stopped by, you're right, a traveling bum stopped by and offered to help.
Yep. Wanted to know if you needed any help. That was nice of him.
Yeah. Everybody else sat around eating their lunch, watching us.
Drove around us just to see what we were doing.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, what are they doing? Oh, keep going. It's a good thing you're handy.